So far, you have learned the lark's head knot, a square knot, and a spiral knot. The last knot I'm going to show you in this series is called the half hitch knot. And half hitch knots are used to frame out different patterns, create patterns of their own. They're a very versatile knot, and they are great for framing the work that you've done in your macrame piece. So to start a half hitch knot, you need to decide which direction you're going to start in. We're going to go from left to right to begin with. The furthest left cord in your row is going to be your working cord. This cord is going to be the one that you're going to hold on to, and that all the other cords are going to be wrapped around. So in order to create a half hitch knot, you're going to take the next cord. You want to bring it up to create a loop, so it's coming under your working cord, creating a loop. Bring it over, through, and then tighten. And with a half hitch knot, you always, with each cord that's hanging down that you're bringing over your working cord, you always do it twice. So we're going to loop it over, bring it through, and tighten. Now the most important thing to remember is whichever direction you're wanting to take this, you want to keep this cord held there. Don't let it drop, or your line will not be as straight. So bring your next cord up, loop it over, bring it through, and tighten. Remember to hold this in the direction that you want it to go. Bring it up, loop it over, pull it through, and tighten. And you just continue on until you get to the end of your row. And as you can see, we have created a nice diagonal. Now I'm going to take it back the other direction, still using the same working cord, and we're going to go the opposite way. So we're going to bring this one forward, loop it over, pull it through, and tighten. And you do it twice for each cord. You may hear me say strings, you may hear me say cords. They mean the same thing. And make sure to keep your working cord in the direction that you want your line to fall. You could do it straight, you could do it at a lower diagonal, whichever direction, however you want it to be. And the final cord. And that is your half hitch knot.